Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Gcash update problem. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you can see the Gcash. I already downloaded this application. So the first step you simply need to click on the gear icon in the settings and search for the developer options. Click on that, and the first step you need to turn this option off from here. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Gcash. Click on that, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here like this, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.